What's happening, creatures? Tim Kreitz here, Tim Kreitz Adventures. I hope your 2018 is off to a good start. It's been really cold here. I'm so glad we finally got a nice day to ride. Today, it's Cliff, Cliff's wife, and me. We are headed for a geographical oddity that is so strange out here in West Texas that even Earth scientists cannot agree on what it is. Stick around for Spade Ranch Crater. The closest town to Spade Crater you may recognize from a previous episode of Tim Kreitz Adventures. It's Colorado City, Texas. We're gonna grab ourselves some lunch because I am freaking hungry. I haven't eaten since lunch yesterday. And then we're gonna ride out there and check it out. I'm just kind of glad to be on a motorcycle. It has been such a terrible winter this year. You know, usually here in West Texas, we ride year-round. Well, that wasn't the case for January. These bikes sat in the garage for most of the month. It was just horrible. Big's Pizza and Grill, just what I need, carbohydrates. The last time we were here in Colorado City, this is the place where we wanted to eat, but it was closed. So instead, we went to the Golden Chick, I think it was, which was actually pretty good, no complaints there. But today, we get to go to Big's. Oh, yeah. This is not good for my ketogenic diet, Cliff.
You'll be alright.
I will be. I can cheat for one meal. It's motorcycle day.
So you like the ketogenic diet?
Yes, it works really, really well for me. But not when I eat French fries and cheeseburgers. I feel kind of guilty. I ate all of that.
You'll get over it.
So good. Mm-hmm. So this crater, I don't know how much Cliff has told you about it, but nobody actually knows what it is. They just call it a crater. And like all the earth scientists and geologists who attempt to study it can't figure out what it is, and they also disagree with each other pretty violently. These guys are jerks to each other. I looked through a couple of online conversations about that. Man, they were calling each other names and insulting each other's intelligence.
Must be we're an alien ship.
I guess so. Now it's going to be too windy to fly that drone over it. Look at those trees. This does not bode well for aerial photography today, but we'll give it a shot. My concern at this point, as I wait for Cliff and his wife to kind of regroup and meet me out here, is that we may not be able to fly that drone over the crater, and that was kind of the whole point of this ride, was to do that, and it may not happen now. Yeah, we have no good parking spot. I guess this is okay. Just have to watch out for high-speed vehicles passing by. But that is a really weird looking formation, just unlike anything else around it. And I'm telling you right now, ain't no way I'm putting a drone in the air.
We'll go back down to Force Sand and then go up to Big Spring.
Okay. Yeah, maybe grab something to drink and see what else we can get into.
Yeah.
Right on. We're not going to let the wind defeat us.
That chimney out in the middle of nowhere.
That's something to check out. It's pretty astounding how an entire house can fall or be torn down, but the chimneys always seem to survive. It's just a ghost of what must have once been here. Man, should I go across? Screw it, I'm gonna do it. Holy crap, it has a historical marker on it. Oh, State of Mind Hysterical Committee. That is ridiculous. On March 2nd, 1836, Texas declared her independence from Mexico. Wild Comanches roamed the plains. Rangers protected frontier settlements, and this building was not here yet. Damn it. Oh well, I got what I deserved on that one. That's what happens when you trespass, kids. No, you didn't see me trespass. You didn't see anything. These are not the droids you're looking for. Oh, what a windy, miserable ride on the interstate that was. Ugh. That's alright. A bad day of riding is better than a good day doing just about anything else. Except maybe. Ah, I love that sound. Tunnels and overpasses amplifies the mechanical music. Catch you guys later. So as you can see, the sky is turning brown and the wind is kicking up even more, and I am predicting a sandstorm either tonight or tomorrow sometime. It's in the air, so to speak. I can sense it. I've lived out here long enough, I can tell when these things are going to happen. Still, the weather was good enough, despite all the crazy weather we've had lately, to ride today, and for that I am thankful. I was starting to get a little bit stir crazy. I wasn't even riding to work, the weather's been so bad. That is very unlike Texas in the wintertime. Alright guys, I'm almost home. This was a strange adventure, but fun nonetheless. See you guys on the next one. Until then, take care of yourselves, take care of one another. God bless you. See you next time.